Welcome to your social class. I am Sudhir. Today we will learn about the shape of the earth, the movements of the earth, and why the earth is an oblate sphere, and first proof of the earth's shape, and also answer some practice questions in the workbook. Okay, children? Great. Now let's have a look at some of the new words from today's lesson. Okay, dear children? New words are astronomer, spherical, bulging, oblate, axis, orbit, rotation, revolution, explorer. Okay, you will know the meaning of these words while I am explaining the lesson. Okay, dear children, before starting the lesson, let's have a quick recall. Okay, children. So, children, how many planets are there in our solar system? This is our solar system. Let's consider. Okay, let's consider this as our solar system, and this is sun. Okay, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total how many planets are there? Total 8 planets are there in our solar system. And question number 2, which is the smallest planet? Which is the smallest planet? See here, this is Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system, and Mercury is nearer to the sun. Okay, children. And which is the biggest planet in our solar system? Biggest planet is Jupiter. Biggest planet is Jupiter. The Earth is dash planet from the sun. The Earth is dash planet from the sun. See, just count. First is Mercury, second is Venus, and third is Earth. So the Earth is third planet from the sun. Okay, dear children, the Earth is also called as dash planet. The Earth is also called as dash planet. See, among among eight planets, Earth is the only planet where life exists. Okay, where life exists. So, because of that reason, we are calling the Earth is living planet. We are calling the Earth is living planet. Okay, dear children. Okay, children, now let's begin our lesson with a conversation in the think section. Okay, and here is a conversation between Rashi and Meher. Okay, Rashi is reading a book about the earth. She tells Meher about a famous astronomer named Johannes Kepler. Meher is asking, who is an astronomer, Rashi? And Rashi is explaining, an astronomer is a person who studies stars, planets, and objects in space. Who is an astronomer, children? He is a person who studies stars, planets, and other objects in space. Now Meher is saying, wow, tell me what you read about Kepler. Rashi is explaining, it was Johannes Kepler who discovered that the Earth travels around the Sun. The Earth travels around the Sun. Kepler discovered that Earth travels around the Sun. Please do remember who discovered the Earth travels around the Sun? Johannes Kepler. Okay, dear children, and let's see the question here. Let's see the question here. What does an astronomer study? What does an astronomer study? Options: oceans, people's futures, stars, planets, and other objects in space, plants, and animals. What does an astronomer study? Yes, astronomers study stars, planets, and other objects in space. By now, you understood what is an astronomer, who is an astronomer, and what does an astronomer study. Okay, dear children, great. Okay, now let's see the shape of the earth. The shape of the earth. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun. Okay, and it is the only planet in the solar system where life exists. Yes, because of that we are calling the Earth is a living planet. Okay, the Earth is a spherical in shape. The Earth is a spherical in shape. It is flattened at the top. It is flattened at the top and bulging near the middle. It is bulging near the middle. See, this is Earth. Okay, this is, let's consider this is Earth. See, the top and bottom are flat, flat. Okay, and here it is bulging. Okay, bulging near the middle. Okay, bulging. Right, this is bulging. So, this shape is known as an oblate sphere. Oblate. Oblate. Okay, oblate sphere. See, beside the shape of the earth, here it's clearly showing this is flattened top and flattened bottom, bulging near middle. Bulging near the middle. Okay, dear children, good. So now there is an imaginary line. There is an imaginary line that runs through the earth from top to bottom, known as the axis. Known as the axis. See here, if you see top to, this is a top and this is bottom. This is a top and this is bottom. See, this is a line which is passes through the earth. Okay, this line is an imaginary line. Okay, and known as the axis. This is known as the axis. The earth spins on its axis. This is a spinning. The earth spins on its axis. Okay, the axis of the earth is slightly tilted. The axis of the earth, see, this is tilted. This is not like this. This is not like this. This is tilted. Okay, this is the straight, but this is tilted. Okay, the earth also travels around the sun in a fixed path. This, okay, the earth also travels the sun in a fixed path. If you see here, this is earth, right? This is earth.